enjoying the bliss of nature. Paws on the ground. Just simply being, existing. Emitting the love vibration naturally from my heart. All these trees and plants and flowers and animals and bugs, all life holds my heart. The understanding of life itself can only be understood within you first. You are life. You are everything. The more you learn yourself, the more you truly learn everything else around you. And the only thing that will only last is love, is your truth, your nature, which is eternal. Returning to our natural remembrance of our beings, of our creation, and our expression. Creating anew, right now, just by being, day to day. The soul is in no rush. Embrace all this experience, all these feelings and emotion. The emotion of waves. The mastery of thyself. Returning to remembrance. And clarity within our minds. Love within our hearts. And knowing in our soul. The eternal knowing of now. And what it is and what it shall be. What it always has been. Big deep breaths of grace, inner peace, and clarity. This is your life. Create it. Live it. Make it a masterpiece. Truly magical and marvelous. Spectacular, fabulous. Beyond words itself. Pure knowing, feeling.